Yo, what's going on, you guys? DJ Zeus back with another video, and today I am obviously reviewing these guys. These are the Logitech G Pro headphones, and let's see what these are all about.
DJ Zeus.
So I went to Best Buy about a month ago to pick up a new set of headphones. I was using the Elgato Game Capture, and lo and behold, playing with the PS4, the Elgato Game Capture doesn't work with Bluetooth headphones, so I had to buy some wired headphones, which is why I picked up these. I was originally going to buy the Astro 40s or 20s, I forgot. They're the budget ones that were like $50 or something like that. And when I tried them on, I didn't like the way they felt. So I tried on all the headphones that they had there. I ended up picking up these, the Logitech G Pros. And the reason why is, look at the size of these ear cups. These things just fit over your ear comfortably, like so. And it does block out like a fairly decent amount of audio, which is pretty dope. Also with that, we have the aluminum band that goes all the way through to the other side. So you don't have to worry about, breaking or snapping your headphones or anything like that. And then as well as the swiveling option, so you can lay it down flat like this. Better for storing in your backpack if you're on the go. Like I said, I bought these about a month ago. I just put everything back in for you guys to get this unboxing experience as well. So you get a braided cable, and this really helps out with making sure that nothing is tangled. Right here, this part actually plugs into the bottom of your headphone on the left side, and then right here you have the volume up and the volume down, and then the microphone mute and unmute switch. And then it also has like a cool little clip right here. You get your little boom microphone, and this is detachable, which is pretty dope too. Also better for storing. I did see some that had retractable microphones, which I thought were pretty dope, and I think that's a sick ass feature. But I'm kind of cool with the way that this is. So this cable and the microphone boom actually come out of the left ear cup. So when you rock it this way. Inside you also get your microphone and headphone splitter. So if you are using PC, like I have recently switched to, so you can like plug in your headphone to that, and then you have the splitter. So this one is for the microphone, this one is for the headphone. And it has like little pictures on there too, so you can distinguish each from one another. You get an extra set of ear cups. Yeah, it came with these. And I thought to myself, you know what, these aren't as comfortable as the Turtle Beach headphones that I have, because they're more of a like mesh. I guess like the material that is right here, like this mesh material, is what the actual cup is made of on the Turtle Beach headphones. And I don't really like the leatherette type ear cups, because these will actually make your ears sweat. And I could only stand these for about half an hour or so. And I just gotta like take them off for a quick second, let my ears breathe, and then put them back on. So my cousin actually bought a pair of these, and he tested them out. And he was the one who actually told me like, hey, like try the other ear cups because they're more comfortable. They're more like a suede material. And I was like, wait, what are you talking about? So I actually opened up the package, and lo and behold, they aren't just like replaceable ear cups. They actually call these micro suede ear cups. So these fit just the exact same as the leatherette ones do. So the form factor about these two are definitely the same. But what I really like about these headphones, or these ear cups, is actually they don't produce as much heat. So I don't feel like I have to constantly take my headphones off. I think maybe about after 45 minutes to an hour, yeah, I'll have to like, let them breathe a little bit. Especially because it's been hot. It's a hot summer here in California. I don't feel myself like removing these as often as I did when I had these ones on. So there's that for you. And they look cool. I mean, they got that like suede looking, look, texture to it, and they're pretty dope. So one thing I didn't know about these headphones until like my nephew actually told me, because he was looking at the box, is it's got the TSM logo on there. And that's not the reason why I picked these up. Like I said, I didn't notice this until like after 2 weeks of having these headphones. Really loving these headphones. So far, these are the best gaming headphones that I've had, and unfortunately, these are only the second headphones that I've ever had that are gaming headphones in that aspect. So Are they comfortable? Do I recommend them? Yes, I do, definitely, especially for under $100. They are comfortable. Like I said, if you look at the size of this ear cup, these things are massive. Your ears are gonna fit in there comfortably, and they're awesome. One thing that I don't like, however, about these headphones, other than your ear sweating with the leatherette ear cups, when you have these on, it does isolate some of the sound outside. So like when you're sitting here talking like this, I can kind of hear myself, but if I'm actually playing a game, I won't be able to hear myself talking. So I don't know how loud I'm talking. With the Stealth 600, at least with those, they have the feedback feature on the actual headphone itself. It's like a little swivel volume thing where you can actually kind of monitor your sound, so this way you're not talking too loud. If they added that feature to these would be perfect. But since it doesn't have that feature like my Turtle Beach ones do, sometimes I catch myself talking a little bit too loud. If you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way, as always, make sure to give me a thumbs up by clicking that like button down below. Also, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos. I do stream on this channel a little bit. I will be mostly streaming on the Twitch platform, so link in the description below. If you want to pick up one of these at no extra cost to you, you can go ahead and click on the link down below for the Amazon affiliate link. I do get a small kickback from that at no extra cost to you, and I think they're actually selling a little bit cheaper on Amazon than they are at Best Buy right now, so go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, DJ Zeus, and I'm out.